Okay, guys, this is my first video, but I hope it can help you because I spent a lot of time to figure out the reason. And then the problem is after I install this Nest Doorbell second generation wired, my indoor chime doesn't work. Before I was using the Ring doorbell and then works very well. And then I don't know what's going on. So I spent the whole day to research. Finally, I found the problem. So if you guys got the same issue, try this one. Actually, according to Google, they said you need to install one small part. It's called the connector, this things. However, I resolved the issue by remove these small things. After you remove this, the indoor chime gonna begin to work. And then again, according to Google, this way gonna hurt the doorbell. But we don't have choice because once I install this back again, and then my indoor chime doesn't work again. So I hope if any persons know how to resolve these issues on another way, leave comments below. Thank you. Have a good day.